Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. A winter storm has hit half of the United States, so we're making chili. Let's go! 1 habanero, diced. Their recipe calls for a jalapeno. I'm saving that for some cornbread that I'm making, and we'll just use this. I'm going to dice all the peppers and the onion. You're not going to watch me do every one. This is an orange bell pepper. 1 red bell pepper. 1 yellow bell pepper. A red onion. Stick them in a bowl for a minute from now. Little olive oil. About a pound of ground beef, 80-20. Little over a pound of Italian sausage. Recipe calls for a pound. This is a spicy kind. It came in links. Everybody bought the loose kind, so I cut the casings off and I mashed it up. Get your oil shimmering hot, then drop your meat in. Brown your meat to the standard regulation. You know how to brown meat. While our meats are browning, I'm going to quick up some garlic. This is 4 cloves. Recipe calls for 2. You do you. Little bit of salt, little bit of pepper. I didn't go too nuts with the pepper because I wanted the sweet sausage and I got the hot sausage. They made a run on the store. Drop the garlic in with the peppers and the onions. Once our meat's done, we're going to use a slotted spoon to evacuate it. Okay, heating our fat back up, adding our peppers, our garlic, and our onion. Recipe says this will take 5 or 6 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and flick everybody around. Hopefully once everybody cooks down, it'll be okay and I won't need to switch to a bigger pot. While the vegetables are cooking, go ahead and get your spice blend together. 1/4 a cup chili powder. 1/4 a cup is 4 tablespoons. Tablespoon dried basil, tablespoon of cumin. It helps with gas with all the beans. 2 teaspoons smoked paprika, 1/4 a teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 a teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes. After 6 or 7 minutes, I teach high school, that never gets old. We're going to go ahead and add 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste. We're also adding all of our spices. We're just going to slap it around till everybody gets good and coated. And we're stirring this occasionally for about 5 minutes until it gets darker in color. At this point, we're getting ready to add 12 ounces of beer. This is a dark beer. I just Google searched chili recipes that use a stout because I like stout beers. So obviously I am of the opinion that you should use a dark beer for this. This is a tiramisu stout. The chocolatey notes will bring out the peppers and the peppers will bring out the chocolatey notes. Yay. At this point, we're adding our meat back in. Spread it around. Mix everybody together. Find a spot to get in. See the burn bits? Add your beer there. Get everybody up. Wake everybody up a little bit. Okay, you want a can of pinto beans, a can of kidney beans, and a can of black beans. You're going to drain and rinse them. Whoops, I did it again. I forgot to hit record. Now the chili is cooking, oh no. Add the beans, add a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Add a 14.5 ounce can of fire roasted diced tomatoes, swirl it around, then add half a cup of maple syrup. I did not have a full half cup, I had this much. And this is how you know that I will never lie to you, because this would have been the best opportunity to lie to you, because I don't have any footage because I'm an idiot. Give it a final stir. Reduce the heat to a simmer and cook for at least an hour, or until it's your desired thickness. I'm going to make some cornbread. Okay, bye. A little over an hour later, and our chili is done. Let's see how we did. First of all, look at that. Pretty good. Remember how before I said that the chocolate in the beer gets highlighted and it kind of knocks it up a notch? I was totally right. This is awesome. I'm going to go make myself up a bowl with all the fixins. Like, subscribe, ding the little bell, leave a comment down below, let me know how I'm doing. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.